The time is currently 5:28. I am at Washington, D.C.'s Union Station, and my bus comes at 6:05 to take me to Fayetteville to sign my lease. I packed really last minute because I worked all the way up until yesterday, and I'm so tired. I've had a long day, and the last time you guys saw me, I was on the bus. I was on the bus putting eyebrows on because priorities. But I am now sitting in me and Paul's new townhome. I toured, signed the lease and everything, and I'm so happy. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour because on a separate video, I'm gonna be doing a whole apartment tour. So I'm just gonna give you guys like a quick little rundown. Okay, haha, just kidding. House tour isn't canceled, but it is postponed. While I get dressed, let me tell you why. For anybody that doesn't know, I work in optical, which means that I work with glasses, which is why I have so many pair of glasses. That doesn't have anything to do with what I'm saying to you. I got a call from an office because the doctor wanted me to come interview. So I am now getting dressed to go interview. But y'all are getting a house tour, I promise. You're gonna get a house tour. I'm gonna take y'all upstairs. I'm gonna take y'all downstairs, okay? It's gonna be a house tour, okay? I promise. Ah, look at the entrance. That's why they gonna hire me right there, look. Yeah. I just feel so happy today. I feel so happy, so blessed. I really truly do. I feel happy and blessed and grounded and reminded today of how blessed I am. And obviously it is easy for us to praise and thank God when he is coming through for us and making a way for us. But it also is important to be grateful when you're not there. You know, when he hasn't taken you there yet, you still have to be grateful and have faith that he's going to. I'm just having a really blessed day. I have all this stuff in my purse because I had to fit, my parents are driving out later on, but I had to fit as much as I could in my purse and in my one suitcase so that they didn't have to, like, because they didn't have enough room to bring down, you know, absolutely everything of mine. So I had to bring as much as I could in my purse and in my suitcase. Yo, I got everything in here. But look, this is my current situation, a mess. A whole mess. I'm irritating. An entire mess. The whole house is empty, and then it's like, I'm home. Okay, I'm like really paranoid, so I'm not gonna think anything of it, but somebody just like rolled past my house looking all weird. But this is what I'm about to wear to go interview. Then I talk to my friends so quietly. Who we think he is? Look at what he did to me. Then I don't even need a bathroom. Don't understand. Just stop looking, do what no one else can. Now it looks crazy right now. Just got back from my interview, and it went cool. However, the important thing is that my charger's missing. I literally put it in my bag before I left. So maybe it fell out, like outside or something. No, I know exactly where it is. I think I left it in the bathroom. I left it in the bathroom. Y'all don't even know. I was over here like about the clickbait title. Losing my charger in North Carolina? Emotional. My parents are 4 hours away, and y'all know what time it is? It's house tour time. I never know how to open this screen door. Here I am trying to be cute and like start from outside, and I can't get the, okay. I'm not gonna show the number of my door Because, you know, that's weird. Look, my doorbell works. I was like psyched about that, but I want to know where the noise comes from. But they're gonna come and repaint this door. Yeah, they're gonna do that. So you walk in and you are standing in front of the staircase. Let me turn this light off. I'm running up my electricity bill. Oh, there's another light on up there? I'm bugging. Paul, if you're watching this, don't even call cursing me out. All right, so you walk in, the stairs are directly in front of you. And that's just my stuff sitting on the stairs. Okay, so you walk in and the stairs are directly in front of you. You turn to your left from the front door and you are looking at our living room. Yeah, let me explain. I got a call to go do the job interview, so I was like digging in my suitcase to pull out an outfit for the job interview, and I just got back home. That's what this is. So yeah, the front door, you walk in, you're in front of the stairs, and you turn over to the living room. We come over here, we have the living room with the window over there, staircase over here, and yeah, it's empty, so there's not much to it right now, obviously. This over here is just like storage under the stairs. Whoa, this light is on too. What, boy? No. We walk over here into the half bathroom, the guest bathroom. I'm about to get so many good selfies in here, you don't even know. But yeah, just the guest bathroom. Ain't nothing special, ain't nothing big. I am actually surprisingly like excited to decorate the bathroom. Like, you know, I feel like the bathrooms are gonna be the first to get decorated because it's easy to decorate the bathrooms. It's easy and it's cheapy. Then over here, we are looking at the dining room. Walk in here, the dining room has this little light fixture that I think I want us to get replaced. The good thing about this place is that we can get anything we want, personalized, replaced, anything. And under the conditions that when we leave, we just paint the walls back whatever color it was, or, you know, put this back up or make sure it's still here. The backyard is back here. And I can't wait to get my little doggy so that he can run out here on this patio. It's unfocused. Yeah, I can't wait to get my little doggy so he can run around on this patio and like go cray. Go off, puppy. Can't wait. So yeah, this is the dining room area. And then we get into the kitchen. Paul and I are thinking if we're gonna buy a washer dryer or not. I think we should. We both kind of think we should, but you know, it's a cost thing, so we're just discussing that. For the time being, this is gonna be like where the pantry stuff goes. Obviously, if we get the washer dryer gonna go here, and then it's gonna hook up over here. But for now, I'll use this as like a little pantry area. So yeah. But this is gonna be so ridiculous, but all my curly girls, look, I have one of these things. So it'll be easy for me to wash my hair. My curly headed girls know what's up. And I like this, I'm like such an old lady, but I like this here because I just imagine me like washing dishes and like being, you know, just, what's the word? Washing dishes and being all, what's the word? Oh, like domesticated. And then like looking outside and like seeing my dog play. Like that's just like what I envision. That's why I like having this window here. But yeah. We will probably paint these cabinets. Yeah, we'll probably paint these cabinets. The fridge and the stove are going to be replaced stainless steel, so we'll probably paint the cabinets black so that it will tie in like the black on the dishwasher and all that. That's, ooh yeah, I'm definitely gonna tell Paul that. We'll probably do that. So yeah, let me turn my lights back off because I ain't got money like that to be playing with y'all. Now we're going to walk past my ridiculous stuff and walk upstairs. All right, so we are upstairs. Turn the light on. So you walk upstairs and you are facing. Oh, I almost fell down the stairs. I almost fell down the stairs. You walk upstairs. You are facing the master bedroom, and I'm gonna show you guys my favorite thing about both bedrooms. So first of all, look at all the outlets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 outlets in here. Thank you, Jesus. So my favorite part of all the rooms is that they have these really deep window seals. I don't know if you can tell, but like I could literally sit in here, and this is gonna sound crazy, but like when I was younger, I think it was like Zoe 101 or something. I saw on like a TV show, and there was like a girl like sitting in her window with like this super cute bedroom. And so now I'm like obsessed. Like I can like sit in my window sill. That's like so cute to me. I don't know why I'm ugly. So yeah, and so here's the thing. The master bedroom's closet is smaller than the guest bedroom's closet. I'll show you guys. But the master bed, I can't breathe, so just excuse me being out of shape and ugly. But this is the master bedroom. I'll go to the bathroom in a second. This is the guest room. Why the guest room got better lighting? Well, the sun is out. It's facing this way, so. But yeah. Oh, I hate that noise, sorry. But this is the guest bedroom. It has that deep window seal, how I like it. And yeah, this is guest bedroom, so it's smaller, but look at the closet. Paul has agreed to give me the closet. He's gonna get the closet in the bedroom. I'm gonna get the closet in here since I have so many more clothes than him. So, yay. I'm gonna get the big closet in here. And we also wanna do a shoe wall because we both like Jordans, like Vans and stuff. Like we both are like kind of sneakerheads. So he's more of a sneakerhead than I am. I'm a kind of sneakerhead. He's definitely a sneakerhead. So we're gonna do a shoe wall in here. We can keep all our shoes in here, or maybe just the ones that we want to display, but we definitely want to do a shoe wall. After we saw the space today in person, we definitely want to do a shoe wall. And over here, we have the bathroom, the full bathroom. Over here, we have the full bathroom. First of all, come on mirror. I love me a big mirror. Yes, can't wait to put my makeup all over this. And yeah, it's just a regular bathtub, shower, toilet. You know the drill. It's just a bathroom. So that is the end of today's move-in vlog. I'm gonna give you guys a actual full house tour and a separate video. And that's gonna be fun and cute. But yeah, I'm gonna do an unfurnished house tour tomorrow. I'm gonna do a furnished house tour, obviously, when I furnish. And yeah, my parents are gonna be here in a few hours, and we'll probably go to Walmart or Target so that I can get something. Because as you guys can see, the house is completely empty, like literally unfurnished. I signed the lease a few hours ago. So yeah, I'm just very proud and I'm very happy, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the first move-in vlog, and I will see you guys in the next video. Muchos besitos, bye.
Young boys round me saying get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I do not know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that'll help me think of someone besides myself. I need someone I leave through the front door with, cause we don't wanna hide no more. Plus you're not